Hello everyone. Let's fold an origami envelope today. Your friend, family, or teacher, whoever receives your message, will get excited when it is written inside an envelope that is folded mysteriously. Get a copy paper or any rectangular paper placed along sides at the top and the bottom. Write your message in the middle space first. Fold the right edge to the left edge to find the middle line of the paper. Crease the mounting fold on the right side. Unfold the paper. Take the top right corner and match the top right edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Take the top left corner and match the top edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom edge of the rectangle to the top edge, making its width half. Then crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom rectangle along its top edge. Fold the right edge to the middle line. You may want to use your fingernail to make a nice right-angled corner at the bottom right. Then crease the mounting fold firmly. Fold the left edge to the middle line. Again, use your fingernail to make a nice right-angled corner at the bottom left. Crease the mounting fold firmly. Mark the intersecting point between the triangle and the rectangle underneath of it. Connect the point and the bottom right corner. Do the same on the left side. Mark the intersecting point between the triangle and the rectangle underneath of it. Connect the point and the bottom left corner. Fold the trapezoid on the right side along the right line. Make sure to crease the mounting fold firmly. Fold the trapezoid on the left side along the left line. Again, crease the mounting fold firmly. Fold the top flap along the dotted line and crease the mounting fold firmly. Insert the triangle-shaped top flap into the pocket. Write the name of the person you want to deliver the message to. She or he would love your beautiful envelope and message. Now, the envelope is complete. Thank you for folding an origami envelope with us today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe so that we can make another origami together.